And after that, there we go. We are now inside of Kodi 18. Now, since we're here, I might as well show you how to click unknown sources. You have this icon here that looks like a gear, and then you can simply go down to system. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. System. There we go. Now I'm going to go down to add-ons. And there goes your unknown sources. So now that this is done, you can go ahead and add whatever add-ons you want. If you don't know where to get some add-ons, you could probably check in our playlist for how to install the No Limits Wizard, which, matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put right here a card showing you how to get to that. So we definitely hope that you like and enjoy this. If you have any questions, we want to know, so don't forget to comment below. Definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.